Hey everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something super important for home safety, especially if you're living in Maine. We're diving into what makes a local company, Select Chimney Services, a key player when it comes to protecting homes in the Portland area.
So here's a question for you. Is your chimney really ready for Maine's weather? It sounds simple, right? But a well-kept chimney is way more than just a nice feature on your house. It's a crucial piece of your heating system, and honestly, it's essential for keeping your family safe and warm, especially when that Maine weather really kicks in.
All right, let's talk about Maine's chimney challenge. What are we really dealing with here? The thing is, the challenge never stops. It's a constant battle, and it all comes down to our pretty unique climate, which puts a ton of strain on our homes.
Just think about what your chimney goes through every single year. It's not just sitting there. It's under a full-on assault. You've got heavy snow just piling on, that freezing rain that finds its way into every little crack, and then those wild temperature swings, where it's freezing one day and warmer the next. That constant expanding and contracting is just brutal on the materials.
And this is what happens. All that pressure from the weather, it's not just making things look a little worn. No way. It's actively destroying the most important parts of your chimney. We're talking the mortar, the flashing, the masonry, and that kind of damage, well, it almost always leads to leaks and some seriously costly repairs if you don't catch it early.
Now this is the very reason Select Chimney Services even exists. They saw this problem and decided to tackle it. So their work isn't just about a quick clean or a simple fix. It's built around a bigger idea, a mission to protect.
To provide homeowners across Maine with reliable, honest, and professional chimney care. That was their goal right from the get-go, and it's clearly more than just a tagline on a truck. It's the real principle that took them from being a small local crew to a company that families all over the region rely on.
And here's what really matters about their mission. It's not just about the bricks and mortar. It's about giving you, the homeowner, total peace of mind. It's that feeling you get knowing the job was done right and that your family is safe. That's the real goal here.
This whole mission didn't just come out of thin air either. It was born from seeing real problems day in and day out. We're talking about seeing cracked mortar from those brutal winters or finding tiny leaks that nobody noticed until they caused huge water damage or, even worse, smoke problems inside the house. That hands-on experience is what shaped everything they do.
Okay, so how does a mission like that actually show up when they come to your house? Well, it all boils down to their specific approach, which is super clear and consistent.
Let's break down their promise to you. It's built on 4 key values. First up is expertise. This isn't just general knowledge, it's years of hands-on experience with Maine homes specifically. Then there's their customer approach, which basically means they listen to your needs. Quality is next, making sure every single job is done with precision. And finally, integrity. That's the big one, just honest work and fair prices you can actually trust.
And when you put it all together, their approach is actually pretty simple. Fair prices, communication so you always know what's going on, and workmanship you can rely on, every single time.
So, this brings us to what they actually do. And you'll see it's a lot more than just a quick sweep. They really are a complete one-stop solution for keeping your chimney in top shape. Think of it like a complete care plan for your chimney. It starts with the basics, right? Routine sweeping and deep inspections to catch any little problems before they get big. But it doesn't stop there. It goes all the way up to serious masonry and leak repairs and even full-blown chimney solutions.
And when they say full solutions, they really mean it. This is the heavy-duty stuff. We're talking about installing new flue liners, putting on chimney caps to keep the rain and critters out, doing that detailed mortar work called tuckpointing, and even tackling massive masonry repairs. The whole shebang.
So, why offer all of this? It's really all about preventing disaster. The whole idea is to catch and fix the small stuff with real expertise before it spirals into a massive, expensive nightmare. It's designed to save you a ton of time, money, and headaches down the road. At the end of the day, everything we've talked about really comes back to one simple, powerful idea. Putting the safety of your home and your family first, period. And taking that first step to make sure your home is safe, it's actually really easy. The worst thing you can do is wait for a small issue to become a giant one. You can get started right now with a free estimate just by giving them a call. So I'll leave you with this thought. Your chimney does a huge job protecting your family, right? But who's protecting your chimney? It's a pretty important question to ask yourself.